Franklin, Tennessee was the location of a Create-A-Thon hosted by the U.S. Census Bureau. The event, led by the Census Open Innovation Labs, focused on community awareness and the impact of the 2020 census.
And as I mentioned, we're doing this all around the country.
Right at the beginning, they got at that, every state is not the same size, different population.
Tim Olson and Faye Anderson of the Census Bureau joined local faith leaders to share information about the enormous task of conducting the census.
And be able to create an outreach plan for every community where you see the darker shades. That's where we started about 2.5 years ago when I began in partnership.
Including counting everyone once, only once, and in the right place.
The workshop was great. We were able to hear about the importance of the census, really focusing in on how we can get underserved communities counted, children counted, and how as a community of Christian artists and country artists, we can actually speak into this and be a platform to mobilize people to be counted.
And that data is so critical. So without that data, our government doesn't know how to provide the support we need.
It's just amazing to think how big of a difference it can make, and why would you not? Just fill out a quick form or go online, or there's so many different ways to do it now. Why would you not do that?
We're talking about people here, which is the most important thing, and being able to understand how important this actually is to be counted for everybody's future. Understanding how federal funds are allocated to different cities because of being counted.
So people need to speak up, and people need not be scared, need not hide, and not fear anything, because it's actually going to help shape their future.
Yeah.
It's a new day, it's a new America, and we need these people to speak up on how they want it to look.
I thought it was really interesting that the census has nothing to do with your political preference, but basically sets it up so that when we vote, we have more representation.
Knowing that their responses make a difference, they are ready to spread the word about how participating in the 2020 census can shape our future.
You got it right here. Shape your future, start here. That's all, that's going to affect generations to come.